Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to change your gender on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the X website. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. This will expand a list of additional settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the expanded menu. Under this section, click on your account to access your account settings. Now, you'll be directed to the Account Management page. Here, click on Account Information. For security reasons, you may be prompted to enter your password before proceeding. Once inside the Account Information section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Gender. Click on it to open the gender settings. Now, choose your desired gender from the available options or customize it as needed. After making your selection, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your gender has now been successfully updated on X. This simple process ensures that your profile reflects who you are. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance updating their X profile settings.